Hey guys, Roadtrekker here. In my previous video, I was replacing the Macerator hose with a quick connect. So what we did is we took a piece of the old Macerator hose and created a fixed connection from the Macerator. And this way I wouldn't have to pull the hose in and out from the storage box. But here you see me fishing the hose. Here's the quick connect. And so what I'm going to have is I'm going to have another hose that I will take out and connect whenever I need to empty the tanks. And you're going to see me do it for the first time here in the campground. All right, hope you enjoy this new video. First time we're going to use our new setup here. I did some tests at home when I built it, but now we've got some. There we go. And so if you see this, we're going to take a look. I went ahead and I attached a piece of hose too so we can see the liquid as it goes through. Yes. Yeah, it should be pretty interesting. All right, so there we go. We're back here actually. So you come this way. All right, keeping everything closed. So we're gonna remove the cap there, and we're putting the attachment. Okay, I think it's. There we go. So push it back. There we go. Make sure it goes back all the way. You don't want an accident. There, it's in there. It's solid. Okay. Okay. We'll run this here. All right. Okay, and I'm gonna start with the black tank. I'm gonna open the black tank, and we're gonna use the macerator now. There we go. You see it? Yeah. And we can see the flow of liquid here that's going. We'll do the gray. We'll do the gray water. How's that? Okay, you can pause it now. Now you can see the flow of the water. There's still some water coming. Okay, so now we're done. You want to make sure you have done the gray water second, of course, so you can clean the hose. We're gonna pull that up. I'm gonna close it. Just follow the same process. Here, I don't know if there's going to be a little bit of gray water or not. Actually, it's pretty good. Put the cap back on. There we go, make sure it's tight. Done, gray water is closed. And then there will be a little bit of liquid here. Just get rid of that. And we are done. I guess I would suggest having a cap on this side as well. I think why not, right? So that when you store it, there's no gross liquid that comes out on either side. If you're able to rinse it, or you're at the campsite, rinse it. But that's it. It worked like a charm, guys. I'm excited.